Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Watson, and today we're going to be talking about paragraphs, what they are, why we use them, and how to use them correctly. If you find using paragraphs difficult, or you don't tend to use them very often, then hopefully this video will help you out. So, how would you define what a paragraph actually is? Well, think about a paragraph as a section of writing that deals with a single theme or idea. For example, if I was describing what this dog looks like, I'd do all that in one paragraph. But if I decided to then talk about what it's doing, I do that on a different paragraph because I'm focusing on a different thing. It seems that occasionally there is some confusion from people who believe that a paragraph has to be made up of about 4 or 5 lines or sentences. This is not the case. A paragraph can be made up of as many sentences as are necessary to get the information across, whether that's 17, 27, or just one single sentence. So, now we know what a paragraph is, why should you be using them in your work? Ultimately, it's about organizing your ideas and presenting them to your reader in as straightforward a way as possible. Take a look at this. This has been written using no paragraphs whatsoever. If I asked you to read this, yes, you could probably do it, but does it look particularly appealing? Where are the breaks? Where are the clues that tell us about changes in topic and theme? There aren't any. It's just one huge block of writing. Your reader will not appreciate this and may find it difficult to navigate through your work. If we were to now add paragraphs into it and organize the writing in a much clearer way, a much more appealing way, we can see each of the different sections very easily. It's broken down for us and it seems far less intimidating to read. Plus, if we needed to go back into it to find a specific section, we can easily see what each part is about. With all that in mind, you might be thinking, okay, well, I know what a paragraph is and why we use them, but how can I use them in my own writing? Well, we can use a simple acronym to help us remember when to start a new paragraph. And that acronym is TiP. The TI stands for time, the first P stands for place, the TO stands for topic, and the second P stands for person. If any of these things change whilst you are writing, you need to start a new paragraph. So if you talk about a different time, a different place or location, a different topic, or introduce a different person or speaker, then you must begin on a brand new paragraph. It really is that simple. Try to use paragraphs in your own writing if you don't already, as it's such an important part of structuring your content and making it more readable. Whether you're writing a story or an analysis, paragraphing is essential. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to give the video a like or a comment to let me know if you did. I'll thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.